Hello everyone, in this video I will share with you how to edit a photo in autumn in Korea. This is a very famous yellow leaf road in Nami Island. A very famous street. If we want to come here to take pictures, we have to go very early. I has to do makeup since 4 a.m. to be able to come here without a lot of people. And if you go to late, it is very crowded here on this road, you will not be able to take pictures. Then to edit a picture that autumn like this, I has already made the color tone. Then you just need to enter the color tone. FineArts and you choose the autumn yellow one. Then it will adjust the autumn for you. Very easy. Then this photo I already have the color ready, it is very easy for me to edit. So now I will delete people. There's still only one person here, but if I'm late, it's very crowded. This is a very beautiful yellow leaf road in Nami Island. And if you have the opportunity, you should go here to take pictures. This place very beautiful. Well, after I've erased the body, now I will pull this dress off. Please note that because I shoot with Sony camera the resolution is very high. So I don't mind pulling the picture out, as long as the picture I get is of high quality. In this photo you will see my post-production. I handle the drag photo a lot, without breaking it at all. Because my image is very high resolution. One more important thing, I took good light here so I won't break the picture. I pull it out, drag it to the left, so that the picture is balanced. And now I will liquefy again. Merge all these layers together. Liquefy. I choose here. I will give her dress a slight sheen. Now I will block the image by being burn. Darken some areas. Then you find that you just need to darken some areas, then naturally the dress will be very sharp. I don't need to sharpen it all the time. Because sharpness is based on the contrast of the subject. So when it comes to photo editing, you will always see that I always blocks the image. Here I will see before. After now I see that the dress has a lot of detail. Despite the fact that I didn't change the details of the photo at all. And I'll darken the surroundings a little bit. To focus on the subject more. Okay, now I will hit the highlights on some details. We'll highlight more highlights for the dress, to make it look more sharp. Choose the contrast here. And I will hit the part where the leaves are. Before, after. That's it, I finished editing the photo. And this photo I can add a flare effect to this photo. For example, choose this effect. Then I'll put it in the corner. Like this to give it more rays. Since this photo has no rays, I can add it like this. Erase its border. Before, after. You can see that this photo is edited very quickly. Then I can skip this effect step. This effect step is just a side step. You may not need it or you may like it.